Welcome to a kindergartner's day at Rolling Valley Elementary. Arrival. Kindergartners get to school different ways. Some children ride the bus. Some children ride in cars. Some children walk to school.
Our morning routine. Each morning, our school watches our morning news show. Our students enjoy sharing something special. We love to move.
Reading. Our kindergartners enjoy listening to stories. We learn in literacy centers. Our students are learning to read in small groups.
Phonics. Our kindergartners are learning about letters during phonics instruction.
Morning recess. We enjoy a morning recess every day.
Lunch. We eat lunch in the cafeteria. Our kindergarten assistants are in the cafeteria with our students to help them during lunch.
Math. We learn about the calendar. Students learn about math concepts in a whole group. We also learn about math in small groups. Our kindergartners practice math skills with manipulatives and games.
Rest time. In the beginning of the school year, our kindergartners have a time to rest. Robin time. After the first quarter, kindergartners work in enrichment and support groups to enhance their learning.
Writing. We love using our developing knowledge of phonics to write.
Special subjects. Our students have art class once a week. We go to PE 3 times a week, and we go to music twice a week. We also enjoy checking out books and listening to stories in the library. Our kindergartners have labs once a week too. We have guidance, reading, and critical and creative thinking. Our kindergartners are learning how to use different computer programs.
Snack. We have an afternoon snack in the classroom every day.
Choice time. Our kindergartners love free choice time.
Kindergartners are scientists. Social studies. Kindergartners are learning to become good citizens.
Health. We are learning healthy habits in kindergarten.
Afternoon recess. Our kindergartners enjoy going outside near the end of the day for recess.
Special events. Kindergartners enjoy participating in several special events related to what we're learning throughout the year.
Kindergarten helpers. Our wonderful principals and office staff. Our ESOL teachers.
And the kindergarten team. It's great to be a Rockin' Robin.